I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see the word count in the Microsoft Word mobile app. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and then open the document you want to check the word count for. Step 2. Tap the edit icon at the top of the screen. Tap the icon in the menu that opens that features the letter A with a pencil. The formatting menu opens. Step 3. Tap the Home tab on the left side of the menu bar to open a drop-down list of menu options. Step 4. Select Review from the list of options. Step 5. Find the Review menu and then tap Word Count in this menu. A small window will appear on your screen showing you the total number of words, characters, and pages in your document. If you only need to know the word count for a specific section of your text rather than the whole document, the process is very similar. You can simply highlight the specific paragraph or block of text you are interested in first, and then follow the same steps to open the Review menu and select Word Count. The app will then show you the statistics for just that selected portion, which is incredibly helpful when you're trying to stay within a specified limit for an intro or a summary. Another helpful thing to keep in mind is that the location of these menus can shift slightly depending on whether you are using a tablet or a smartphone. On a tablet like an iPad, you might see the Review tab directly at the top of your screen in a ribbon format similar to the desktop version. If you don't see the edit icon I mentioned earlier, look directly for the Review tab in that top row. Also, if you frequently need to see your word count, remember that Word for Mobile usually includes a count for spaces as well, which is important if you are writing for a platform that has a character limit instead of a word limit. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.